so much, sir, for your delightful words. Your outstanding contribution towards the field of education is valuable and we cannot describe it in words. And a man with a golden heart. And so your personality will always remain exemplary for all of us.
Culture is an important part of our upbringing and for who we are today. When it comes to culture, no one can beat Odisha because of the stunning architectures, history, dialects, vibrant art, music and dance forms which make Odisha an ever-sprightly state of India.
In sync with the greatest music of Odisha, the Odissi dance is said to be an effort to get closer with the God and experience the bliss.
So let's invoke the Almighty, the Supreme God, Lord Rama, Sri Rama, with a traditional and devotional dance performance. To present the classical dance, may I now invite on stage the dancing troupe of our school to present before you the classical masterpiece. Without waiting, put your hands together for our students to be present on the stage and ensnare you with the mesmerizing Odissi dance.
चन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। राम है बाहिर राम है, अंतर राम है बाहिर राम है। जहाँ देखे तहाँ राम ही राम है, जहाँ देखे तहाँ राम ही राम है। Mama ga 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 sa re pa ma ga re sa ma pa da sa जय जय राम श्री राम 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 जय राम